Here's how to set up Fastmail integration in 1Password in order to get masked email. So let's get to it. So over here on 1Password, you need to log into your account. After that, on the left hand side, you need to press on this integrations. Inside it, you'll see this masked email with the Fastmail button. Press here in order to integrate it. All right, so we're going to press on this Fastmail and we can scroll down and press on this connect button. Now it's going to take you over to this page. On it, you can create your account by pressing on this on the top right. Sign up button. You can choose your email address. I'm going to just type in solvebase here. And this fastmail.com. This is the domain that they provide. So you can press here to select another one of these. Or you can also select sent.com or probox.com if you scroll all the way down. You can also use your own domain from here. Just need to type in your own domain. That could be solvebase.co. I'm going to disable it and just use one of these ones. So fastmail.ca would be fine. Scroll down and I'm going to press on this password, type in it, and then press on your start free trial on the bottom. Next up, you need to enter in your phone number with your country code and then press on send verification code. Now you need to type that code that you got on your phone. Try checking the code in your messages tab on your mobile. If you did not get it, just need to press on this resend button in order to get your code there. And it says here, text may take up to 30 seconds to arrive. So you need to wait for it. So I just got it in my messages tab. So I'm going to press here and type it and then press on verify. Now we are inside the dashboard of Fastmail. In order to connect 1Password with Fastmail, we need to go back to 1Password over here. And on the left hand side, press on integrations. On the right, press on connect, scroll down, press on connect, and it's going to give you this page where you need to press on allow in order to connect both of these services together. In order to integrate it, you need to choose a plan. It could be the individual plan, which includes just one member. If you've got more than one in your family plan, you would need to go with duo or the family over here. You can select the time duration for your plan. It could be 12 months, 24 or 36. So in our case, we can try this one out. Select individual for 1 month. Continue to payment method. Once you have entered in your card details, just press on subscribe now over here. And that's it. Our payment is done. And my subscription is for 1 month. Your account renews on this date. It will show up over here. And you can cancel it before this if you do not want them to charge your card again. If you want to cancel it, it's in your billing and plan page on the left hand side. In your account settings, you just need to scroll down and you'll find this cancel button over here. Let's go back to 1Password again. And on the left hand side, I'm going to press on this integrations, press on this Fastmail, scroll down, press on connect, press on allow here, enter in your password again, and it's going to validate the Fastmail access. All right, now you can see here, we have connected Fastmail to 1Password. And we can manage masked emails on the right hand side. It's going to take us over to this page on Fastmail. You can see here on the bottom, 1Password is connected. And I can press on this button in order to remove access and such. From here in masked email, you can set up a new masked email address as well. Just press over here and you should be able to set a new masked email. Type in a description for it and save it. Now, if I go back to my 1Password integrations tab, you're going to find under your integrations masked email with the Fastmail primary email address. So this is what is going to use for our email address. And if you want to deactivate Fastmail, just need to go inside it and there will be a button over here to deactivate Fastmail. It lets you create a unique email address for every website that you join so that you can keep your real address private and hidden. And you can also block spam from that website. Now, let's say I'm on this sign up page. I can press over here on email in the create account section. Then you need to press over here on the right hand side, your 1Password icon. For this, you do need the 1Password extension installed on your Chrome web browser. I've made a video on how to do that as well. Once you have got it, once you've installed this Chrome extension, you should be able to see this fill masked email when you press on any email field in create account page. Then you just need to press on it and it's going to say this over here with the site name. And under it, you'll see this email which is a masked email from Fastmail. It's a generated email. You should be able to use this one, and you can select a vault from here and save it over there. You can enter in the username and password for it and save it. You can also use the password generator to generate a really good password. And you can press on this control panel type icon and you can generate a really unique password with the help of this password generator inside 1Password. You can press over here on type and change to pin code memorable password that way and play around with it. And the one that you like, just press on autofill in order to put it over here. Then you're going to see this save login. Just select a vault and save it there. Create your account on the website that you want to create with your masked mail. And yeah, that's it. That's how to integrate Fastmail with 1Password. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Fastmail and 1Password related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.